You can have all of the skills in the world, but if you don't have the right people around you, good luck, man. And I say this as a friend. It's that simple. Every photographer, every filmmaker, every creative, you need two circles in your life. It's not optional, it's not nice to have, it's required. And the sad part is, most of you don't even realize you're missing them until your career starts to choke. So let's talk about those circles. First, you need a personal circle. These are not your fans, these are not your clients. I'm talking about the people that really, really know you. You need people who are gonna cheer for you. You need people that are gonna endorse you when you're not in the room. You need people who are gonna celebrate your wins. They're gonna promote your wins, and they're gonna call you out when you need it. Not every friend or family member is gonna understand your work. They should believe in you at the very least. And here's the kicker, not all of them are going to. Some of those biggest haters, they sit right there in the front row of your life. Family, old friends, close peers. They may smile, but deep down, they hope that you fail. I always say this, the front row of your life now has your loudest fans and your quietest haters. So ask yourself, when I win, who celebrates it like it's their win? And when I'm down, who kicks me when I'm down? Or who goes quiet? Think about that. If you pay attention, they're gonna tell you exactly who they are. And that's your job to clean up. You choose who stays, you choose who goes. But a good circle is gonna make you better. No circle is gonna make you bitter. Better versus bitter. Then there's your second circle. This one is very, very important also. You need people that's going to understand the inner world of this work. People who get it when the client asks for the wrong photos. People who get it when a creative block hits. People who get it when your rate has been challenged. Your mom might support you, but she has no idea how to push back on usage rights. Your high school friend can't help you with the licensing of your pictures. And that's why you need peers. People who have been through it, people who have those battle scars, people who share solutions, not opinions. There's a difference. And that's why I built VBA, Visual Business Academy. No fluff, no gurus, just photographers, videographers, and filmmakers helping each other grow, lift up, rise up together. We answer questions, we support each other, and it's 100% complimentary. You just need to show up. See, I can create that circle for you. In fact, I have. The personal circle, that's on you. Now, back to the front row. If you're smart, you're gonna start noticing patterns. I always look for 4, maybe 5 things in people that I wanna make sure that they can stay in my life. You wanna know what those signs are? Number 1, they disappear when you win. No congratulations, no repost, silence. They might even say, I never saw that post. Sure. Number 2, they minimize your success. Oh, cool. But is that really a big deal? You see what they do there? Number 3, they ask for free work constantly. Respect doesn't sound like, could you bring your camera? Number 4, they copy you, but they pretend they don't. Number 5, they highlight your mistakes, not your growth. They always pick out where you went wrong, not where you went right. So those are the weeds that you need to pull, because in this game, the business of creativity, your mindset is everything. If your front row is full of dead weight and hidden jealousy, it will 100% sink you, it will drag you down, and that's how you fail. Here's what I'm gonna leave you with. Build your 2 circles. One, your personal crew. You need love, you need support, you need that history. Find those right people. If someone doesn't fit, you have to evict them. Number two, your peer circle. It's essential. You need this and you need this. You need that knowledge, you need perspective, you need respect. VBA, Visual Business Academy, is that place. Join us, grow with us, explore with us, show up with all of us. VBA is 100% complimentary. Let's grow together.